Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation. Okay, start. What he said was that soil erosion is taking place at such an alarming rate that within 15 to 20 years the Bhakra Nangal Dam will be completely silted up. Forests are being destroyed. Is the government thinking about this? When forests are being destroyed, the climate is changing. There is imbalance in rainfall. There is drought on there is flood. This is upsetting the economy because our entire economy depends on monsoon. Forests are being destroyed unless this problem is attended to. We will not be able to achieve the socio-economic objectives of the 8th plan para. Sir, in conclusion, I would say that once again I congratulate our finance minister. He has said at the end in the first part of his speech that the government is resolved to eliminate smuggling, black marketing, tax evasion, and various other things. Sir, the extent of tax evasion in this country and the extent of tax arrears in this country, are they not a blot on the tax administration? A few years ago, 15 years ago, we used to say that the income tax officer was an unapproachable person. Today, he is the most flexible and the most easily manipulated person. How much money is being evaded? Perhaps if we check this tax evasion, we need not have to resort to imposing taxes on bidis, cigarettes, and all these things. How much money is being drained away through tax evasion just because the income tax officers have only one thing in their mind, that is their self-interest. Take the Central Excise Department. Sir, if the collector of Central Excises has to get a regular amount of money from each circle, then what is the Central Excise Department for? Should we not do something about this? The finance minister in his speech has discounted the profligacies of doom, but the budget alone cannot work miracles. The budget alone cannot solve the socio-economic problems. Unless these steps are taken, profligacies of doom may after all come true. Para. Sir, it will be a repetition on my part if I refer to some of the causes that have led the economic situation to this crisis. It is worthwhile to remember them to appreciate the budget proposals that have been presented by the Honorable Finance Minister. Sir, the budget should not only indicate the revenue receipts and expenditure, but it should also take into account our past performance and our areas of inadequacies, and it should project the future program to achieve our socio-economic goals. An efficient budget is that which does not raise the cost of living of the masses. Stop. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.